Morning class. This is the illustration number 49 from DK Goel, latest book right now. This is the question number illustration number 49. Today I am going to describe you how you will solve this problem. Right, it is the question from the fundamental of partnership, and under the fundamental partnership it is the question of your past adjustment. Right, as per the question, I'm going to solve the question and I will tell you how you will solve it. Now come to the answer. Now firstly we will prepare profit and loss appropriation that is wrong, right? As per the question, the accountant has distributed rupees 30,000 among the partners A, B and C in the ratio 3:1:1 without taking any condition of partnership deed. Right, now 30,000 when we will distribute it between, we will distribute between A, B and C in ratio 3:1:1. That will be 18,000, 6,000 and 6,000 rupees. Now after that, now I am going to make another PL appropriation account that is correct PL appropriation. And how we will prepare it? It is very good question. Firstly, we will write in the credit side by profit and loss account 30,000 rupees. Then we will write in the credit side of PL appropriation by interest on drawings. A is capital, B is capital and C is capital. There is no need to calculate it because it is given in the question. Right, we will write A is capital 350, B is capital 250, C is capital rupees 150. 750 will be in outer column. Now in the debit side we will write to interest on capital. Right, now to interest on capital, that you have to find out, because 25,000 amount invested by Mr. A, and that on that amount we will take 10%, that will be 2,500. B will be 2,000 to 10% of 20,000 rupees, and C will 1,500, 15,000 of 10%. We will write in the debit side of PL appropriation as the above format says. Right, total will be 6,000 in outer column. Now we will write to salary of A and B is given in the question, 5,000 and 7,500 rupee. Total will be 12,500. We will write in outer column. Right, after that there is the more point. There is one more point, that is commission. We are giving to A only 3,000 rupees, that is given in the question. We will write what commission to A 3,000 in outer column. Then what we will do, we will take the amounts of credit side 30,000 and 750. Total of these two will be 30,750 rupees. And what we will do, we will deduct 30,750 minus total of your debit side. We will deduct 6,000, 12,500 and 3,000 rupees out of that, and the balance will be now 79250. Now simply we will distribute 9250 as per the rule in ratio 3:1:1, and A will get 550, B will get 1850 and C will get 1850. Right, as you know it very well that what is the format of your PL appropriation, what you will write in the PL appropriation account. Now we have two PL appropriation, one is wrong and one is right. Now we will prepare now to pass adjustment entry to correct your past problem. Right, now we will prepare one more thing, that is your table. Right, now firstly we will draw the format particular, A, B, C and total. Particular, A, B, C and total we will write over there. Now अगर गलती से अकाउंटेंट ने क्या किया है, प्रॉफिट को रॉन्गली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया था 30,000 रुपीज़ को बिटवीन द अमंग द पार्टनर्स, तो ये अमाउंट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट साइड में लिखी गई होगी बाय डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट और बाय PL एप्रोप्रिएशन करके. बिकॉज वो रॉन्ग था तो उसका सबसे अच्छा उसको रिमूव करने का तरीका है, अगर उसको क्रेडिट साइड में हमने लिखा होगा पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में, उसको हम यहाँ पर डेबिट कर देंगे. तो आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर प्रॉफिट wrongly distributed, now it will be now debit, because वहाँ पर मैंने क्रेडिट में लिखा जाता है. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में प्रॉफिट, डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट हमेशा क्रेडिट साइड में लिखा जाता है, तो उसके इफेक्ट को रिमूव करने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पर इसको डेबिट साइड में लिख दिया है. ए कॉलम 18,000, 6,000 एंड 6,000, टोटल इज 30,000. फिर मैंने इनका सम कर दिया यहाँ पर 18, 6,000, 6,000 एंड 30,000. नाउ वी विल डू दैट थिंग दैट इज राइट. ठीक है, जहाँ पर ये पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में लिखा रहता है वैसे इसको हम मेंशन करेंगे. Interest on capital we have 2500, 2000 and 1500 rupees, और इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल को हम पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में लिखते हैं, इसलिए इसको हम लिखेंगे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इन ब्रैकेट सी आर 2500, 2000, 1500 in our total column 6000. Salary to the partners, it is what? It is the amount of the credit side of partners capital accounts. We will write salary in bracket credit 5000 in A and 7500 in B. Total will be what? 12,500. Commission is also item of credit side of partners capital, so we will write commission in bracket CR. Credit 3000 we have to pay to Mr. A, 3000 we will write in column of A, and B and C is not getting a single coin, and in total column 3000 rupees, right? We have one more item of interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, we have that amount. It is the amount we will write in the debit side of PL and partners capital account. So सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया, सारे क्रेडिट का टोटल कर लिया है, क्रेडिट आइटम्स का 10,500 ऑफ A, 2500, 5000, 3000, 10,500 in B, 9,500 in C, 1,500. Total amount is all 20,000, 1,500. Now we will write less interest on drawings. Why we are writing less over there? Because it is debit item. Interest on drawings, because it is debit item. Why? Because we will write the interest on drawings amount in the debit side of partners capital account. We will write interest on drawings in bracket DR 350 in A column, 250 in B column, 150 in C column. In total will be 750. Now we will deduct it. 10,500 minus 350, 10,150, 9,500 minus 250, 9,250, 1,500 minus 150, 1,350. ठीक है, and the sum of all these will be 20,750 rupees. Now what we will do, we will deduct two items now. We will deduct 18,000 minus 10,150. Right, or we can do one more thing, 30,000 minus 20,750. We will get that amount 9250 as divisible profit, जो हमारे यहाँ पर भी given है, right? 9,250. Now we will distribute this divisible profit in ratio of 3:1:1. और ये divisible profit भी कहाँ लिखा जाता है? Partners capital के credit side में. तो मैंने लिखा divisible profit distribute in ratio of 3:1:1 in bracket CR. Out of 9250, A will get 5550, B will get 1850, or C will get 1850. Right, now we will add these two items. What A is getting actually? A is getting 10,150 and 5550. It will be 15,700. Right, B will get 9250 plus 1850. It is equal to 11,100. And same with your C. राइट नाउ अब एक्चुअली में होना क्या है वो देखिए, 18,000 ए को रियलिटी में मिल गया था, लेकिन मिलना कितना चाहिए था? 15,700. दैट मीन्स उसके पास ज़्यादा अमाउंट कितनी है? 2,300 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है. डेबिट का टोटल ज़्यादा है, क्रेडिट का टोटल कम है. वी विल राइट इन द ब्रैकेट डेबिट. ए को कितना, बी को कितना मिला है? गलती से 6,000 भी मिलना कितना चाहिए था? इसको मिलना चाहिए था 11,111 रुपये. इसको कितने रुपए और चाहिए? 5,100 रुपये इसको और चाहिए. क्रेडिट का टोटल ज़्यादा था तो हम लोग यहाँ पर CR लिखेंगे. एक सी को गलती से कितना मिल गया है? 6,000 रुपये. मिलना कितना चाहिए था? 3,200 रुपये. तो इसके पास ज़्यादा अमाउंट ही विल रिटर्न 2,800 ये रिटर्न करेगा. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? इसको हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे DR, क्योंकि DR का टोटल ज़्यादा था. नाउ ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ बैलेंसेस वी विल पास एंट्री. एंट्री विल बी योर A's capital debit by 2,300, C's capital debit by rupees 2,800, and what? B's capital credit by rupees 5,100. This is the illustration number 49. You can check through the book. This is the latest book. Right now, it is a question of your PPL appropriation. Thank you.